What's the crack? I'm at Dove Park in Benidorm's Old Town and the sun is about to set in the next hour or so. I'm on my way to check into the second hotel I'm reviewing in this Benidorm series. I've already reviewed a 2-star hotel in the Old Town. If you haven't watched that, I'll post a link in the description of this video so you can watch that video next. I'm checking in to the Hotel Montesol. It's a 3-star hotel. It's about 10 minutes to the Walking Street and Tapas Alley. There isn't a pool, gym or spa. It's a no-frills city hotel. I've booked bed and breakfast only. In front of me is the Yellow Submarine Sports Bar. It can get lively at night and I think they do karaoke as well. I've booked bed and breakfast only, but they do offer lunch and dinner as well. I'll let you know exactly how much I paid at the end of the video. I've booked a room with a balcony, but they do offer rooms without, so all you get is a window. And I've seen rooms go for as little as £38 on booking.com. But let me know in the comments if you prefer Benidorm Old Town or the New Town. Or maybe you've stayed at this hotel before. You let me know in the comments. If you are new to Walk with Neve, I share new walking tours, travel vlogs and hotel reviews from around Spain, Ireland and the UK. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, subscribe to the channel, press the thumbs up icon and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content. It's free and helps me more than you know. 83% of people who watch these videos haven't subscribed. I'll leave a QR code on the screen. If you scan that with your mobile phone, it'll take you to the YouTube channel page. Now, if you are booking into this hotel, there is a fairly steep incline to the hotel, so that's something to be mindful of. Let's get checked in. So I'm in room 406 on the 4th floor. Check-in was really quick and easy. I just showed my passport and paid for my night stay. To my left we've got a shower room and straight ahead the bed. And it's as expected. It's basic but spacious. Phone to call reception and housekeeping has tried to make the room look nice with a bed runner. Fridge as well. That's something I didn't get in the 2-star hotel I've just come from. There's plenty of storage as well, 2 large closets. Air conditioning remote and television. And I can cast YouTube and Netflix if I wanted to. I have had a look and there are plenty of UK channels available. It's always nice to have some background noise while getting ready to go out. Information about services at the hotel. Let's check out the bathroom. It's pretty spacious. Some hotels in the Old Town can be quite small, but this is the exception. Plenty of clean towels, but the chromework could do with a quick polish. I do get some complimentary shower gel and the hairdryer does look powerful. Let's check out the balcony. Now they've given me 2 chairs, but a lot of the balcony area is taken up by the air conditioning unit. In most hotels and the one opposite, the AC unit is usually higher up. I do get a bit of a mountain view and a view of the opposite hotel. If you are enjoying this video, press the thumbs up icon, that helps me more than you know. One last thing to check is the bed. Yep, mattress protector. All looks pretty clean, no issues. I'm now checked out of Montesol. I checked in at about 4:20 and checked out again within about 60 minutes. So I went down to reception to say I wasn't staying and I would find alternative accommodation for the night and requested a refund. I've just come to Mas Palmas Beach between Levante and Poniente beaches to film this wrap up. If you want to rent a sun lounger or umbrella, it's €6 each. But the person on reception looked at the video asking what it was. I told her I didn't know, and you tell me, it's your hotel. So she called what must have been a manager, who never answered. The receptionist kept looking at the video and swiping through the camera roll on my phone, but she really shouldn't have. I would never check underneath the bed, but this time something told me to. I don't know whether it was what housekeeping had done with the bed runner, I just felt suspicious. The mattress did look clean, even brand new, and there wasn't a mark on the sheets. There weren't any carpets in the room, so I can't think of how it could have got there. When the refund comes in, I'll put a screenshot on screen of the charge and refund. The price of the room with balcony and breakfast included was €54, which worked out about £47. Let me know what you thought of my experience with Hotel Montesol. Was I right to refuse to stay? Maybe you've stayed at the same property without any issues. Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks as always to the YouTube channel members and Buy Me a Coffee supporters on screen now. If you want to see more Benidorm Hotel reviews, click the top video. Otherwise, YouTube has selected another video it thinks you might like. Thanks for watching.